Have you ever wondered how a so-called electric jet ski with impressive speed and long battery life could possibly sell for less than $60? That unbelievable promise is exactly why FloatSki has caught so much attention online. But after examining the available information, the advertised claims raise several important questions. The company promotes FloatSki as a personal electric watercraft capable of reaching speeds of up to 19 miles per hour, supporting riders weighing as much as 350 pounds and delivering up to 90 minutes of runtime. However, there is no reliable evidence available that confirms these performance figures through independent testing or recognized product certifications. The promotional material also creates the impression of a powerful motorized jet ski, while the product shown in many listings appears much closer to a lightweight inflatable water toy than a genuine electric personal watercraft. Another concern is the extremely low selling price because authentic electric jet skis typically cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars due to the battery technology, waterproof motors, and safety engineering involved. The marketing also relies heavily on dramatic images that appear AI-generated or digitally enhanced, making it difficult to determine what buyers would actually receive. Customer testimonials displayed on sales pages also lack strong independent verification, so they should be viewed cautiously. Permanent discounts, countdown timers, and limited stock messages further add to the pressure. Yet these tactics are commonly seen on websites trying to encourage quick purchases rather than informed decisions. Based on the information currently available, there is simply not enough credible proof to support the advertised specifications or overall performance. That does not automatically prove every order is a scam, but it does mean potential buyers should approach FloatSki with caution. Carefully research the seller, verify refund policies, and avoid making a purchase based solely on eye-catching advertisements until transparent testing and trustworthy customer experiences become available. Treating the marketing claims with healthy skepticism is the safest approach.